Hello and welcome back. I'm doing a Dailylook try-on haul. I hope you'll join me today. I appreciate you stopping in. This is Christine and we're going to start with this beautiful cardigan. I absolutely fell in love with this when I pulled it out of the box. It was so soft and it has ridges around the collar. Yes, I'm rocking to the Eagles as usual. I wished I could share the good music with you all, but anyway, it has ridges around the sleeves and around the trim of the whole cardigan, and it is made by Danielle Rain. It is lightweight, so it's not really, you could wear this springtime. Love the color. It doesn't show up here as bright as it really is, but it is bright, and it's got pockets. It's a piece that I fell in love with, and so if you're into bright colors but staying cool in the summer, the springtime, this is the piece. Now here we go. I thought I would try like a workout set, and I received a jacket and then these jogger pants, and I ordered them in 1X. Now the jacket zips up and it is creamy, buttery, soft. The material of both the pants and the jacket it's really buttery smooth. It's something okay with my pants, but it zips up the front. It's just probably just not for me some reason. I don't know. I just wanted something lightweight and I thought that would be neat. This top is absolutely beautiful. It's a tie abstract button down top. I ordered it in 1X, and I think the 1X is a good size for me on this shirt, so I would do the exact size. It was comfortable. It's soft material, but it's not so lightweight that it's see-through. And I like the abstract design and the colors. This, who doesn't want a Lake Life shirt? This is actually a lightweight sweater. It looks heavy, but it doesn't feel a hot and itchy sweater. Very, very soft, tighter around the wrist, and it is like a rough cut neck. It's 2X that I ordered. I could wear probably a 1X. I wanted something more bigger and bulkier. And so I like how the arms gather. And it's very comfortable. At the sides you'll see that it has a split on it. And that's supposed to be there for relaxation, I guess. You know, get all comfy. Not so tight around your hips. So that is wonderful. Now this is a heavier sweater. I thought it was cute because it said Nashville on it, but it almost feels really wool to me. It is a rib neck sweater by Thread and Supply. I ordered it at 2X and could go for 1X, possibly just extra large. It is soft, but it feels so much like itchy wool to me. It's a beautiful sweater, just I can't handle things that make me itch. And then here we have a flannel, what do they call them, shackets. And it's not a heavy flannel, it's not an itchy flannel, it's really soft, very comfortable. It's a 2X. I like the size. I could probably size down, but I kind of like that size of a 2X because it's bigger and you can just wear it as a type of a jacket. But extra comfortable. It's just springtime, and I don't know about going on with flannel. I keep asking them to send me some spring clothes, and I guess they're closing out the rest of their winter clothes. But this is beautiful nonetheless. 2-pocket front, button up the front, and I like the collar. But very cozy on a cool day, and here in Texas we're running out of those. So check out Dailylook. I have everything in the description below, and click on the link and order you up a box to try on. Thanks for watching.